Is it a scam? Maybe. Can you buy a Lambo? No. Is it worth it? Yes. This will be my last review of the Hustle University. I've been here in 4 months, even though I was banned most of the time, but I have people who are in it so I can get in there as well. Hey friends, my name is Yus and I will give you all the information of the Hustle University for free because I'm a crazy guy. I have these sunglasses on and I just like to do it. So let's go. So the Hustle University 2.0, it rebranded himself to 3.0 or the new era learning, or some people still call it 2.0. It's totally different than 1.0. I have no idea. I personally think it's a scam because there are no 18 wealth method courses in it and you will make 10k a month easily. And yes, I understand that buying a Bugatti and Rolex and Lambos and cars and all that stuff is for marketing purposes. I get it. And I'm not going to say that the Tate brothers are liars, allegedly. However, if you even try to suggest a little bit of that, you get banned. Also, if this is the quality of the teachers that are handpicked by Andrew Tate, then it really lacks professionality. I know, it's just $49, but hear me out. There are 100k students, even more. This person is making 5 million a month. So you can expect at least a little bit of professionality, right? But is it worth it? That's a big question. If you understand marketing and if you're a little bit more mature, then you understand that he is selling you a dream.
Sell the dream, sell the dream, sell the dream.
However, if you understand that for the next 6 months you won't get any results and you might even be in a loss and you have to work 18 hours a day, if you understand that you won't make anything in between, if you understand that you have to breathe one module at a time, then yes, then you can go for it. In other words, don't get crazy expectations and you won't buy a Bugatti anytime soon. You probably won't even buy ramen because you're just poor. You probably have to sit on the side of KFC and get some food from there. Also, don't forget that I already made a video about the Hustle University here. Don't forget to go through all the modules and you will have a pick on what is the best for you. And if you have Amazon FBA and you probably have heard of Shopify. That's how most people work on it. So this is the platform that most people are also familiar with. Normally you will make your own store and it will take so much time. It's very complicated and you will probably don't see any results within the next few months. So a better thing is you will go to an Amazon fulfillment center. Everyone goes to Amazon. It's a big website. It's very recognized. It's the biggest on the planet and it will help you more than just a regular Shopify. Your suppliers are sending it to Amazon and then you can send it further. With the videos, you have a lot better understanding how this whole process works. You can pick your niche and also which niches to avoid. If you want your item to stand out, there are a few ways about it. You can either sponsor or you can have an item which is really out of the ordinary. It could be something that is not on the marketplace yet. You can use helium-10 for your research. There's a whole tutorial how you can list, and this is a genuine business model and everyone can make 5 to 6k a month. But don't forget, it takes so much time. I cannot stress out that you have to work at least 6 hours a day, maybe 18 hours preferable. And also you have to focus on subcategories. There's Amazon affiliates, wholesale, private label, print on demand, and publishing. The easiest way is to go to Amazon Associates, find some products online and you can put them anywhere on your website, or you can, for example, this mic over here, you can put that in your YouTube affiliate links, which you can find down. That is the easiest business model as a beginner, and for the rest, you have to join the course. The crypto course. At the moment of recording, probably a lot of people are not interested in it, but in the future this will be more and more, so I will give you information beforehand. So the crypto course is interesting if you are low on time but high on money, and high on money is $5k. I understand that it's not a lot for a lot of people. However, if you're 15, 5k is probably a lot. So you will probably have to do some quizzes and you will have to get some knowledge about crypto before you can even join the module. I think that's fair. If you don't know anything, you're just wasting your money, and that is not a good thing. This also means that you have some accountability. You can see there are trading signals and there's some more information, and there's even a module where you can see what trades your professors are making. If you look at some websites, you can see there are copy traders where you can actually find how people are trading. If you join the Hustle University just to join this module, it is a lot cheaper than a lot of the professional people out there. So just for that, this module is amazing. So what you see a lot is people who have success stories. It's kind of sad that you don't see people showing the losses, but this isn't Reddit. However, people are at least making money, so you can definitely say that if you invest in the right moment, you can make money as well. There's even a model of NFTs, so this is a good call. It's about copywriting. For some reason, most of the people want this. I think they heard somewhere that the two best skills to have in the future is sales and copywriting, which I totally get. So in the summary, if you look at websites, you see that a lot of it is kind of crap. Most people don't know how to do their copywriting, and you can be an expert in it. There's a high demand of copywriters needed. However, if so many people are going to do copywriting, then you can also understand that it's going to be pretty saturated. If you go to their Discord channel, you see this guy which claims to make 5 to 6K a month. But in the module, you can learn copywriting for a month. So every single day you do something, you let the reviews by your peers, and you will have a community of people who are also on the same journey as you. You do have to understand, because there are so many people who are trying to be copywriters, you have to be really good. So you really have to put an effort in it. In the future, it's going to be worth it. However, I understand that a lot of you guys are 15, 16, maybe not even 25. So you guys don't have that much patience. Learn to have patience, work hard, work 18 hours a day, sleep less. At your age, you can probably do that. And then you will be better than 99% of the people out there. In the Discord channel, you can level up. You have to go through the process. It's fun. You learn a lot. So at some point, you can do some copywriting and you can let it be seen by other people. They will give you comment on it. I have to tell you, people in this Discord channel, they will really hate you. You don't have to expect nice people in the Discord channel. I mean, if you say something wrong about anything or anyone, you will get banned. However, if you go through the process for 30 days, even if you don't get any result, at least you will learn decent copywriting, and the 49 euros will be totally worth it. The good thing is, if you haven't done anything, you won't level up. So there is a thingy behind it. I understand that the copywriting at the highest level, you need to have a lot of experience in it. If you look at this Instagram, for example, this is just an entry-level job, so you can even do that. You do have to contact a lot of people. You will get rejected 99 out of 100 times, just a harsh reality, and not a lot of people will tell that to you. So that's why I am telling you that. Maybe you're more interested in stock trading options. That is fair, because crypto is basically not related to any company. And basically, this is the same as the crypto thingy. You will find your professors, you will see their trades, you will get information, what is a stock, how does it work, can you leverage, can you do options. Too much information to tell, you just have to find out yourself. I personally dove into affiliate marketing. I personally made over $500 with affiliate links for the Hustler University. I made a previous video about it. I will put some in here as well. You have to understand the bigger picture of freelancing and how the business is behind that. This model is excellent if you have time a lot and cash poor. If you look at Upwork, you will see, for example, video editing. You will see that people are providing the services for an amount of money. Then you won't make any chance between these established brands. And a lot of them have even 5-star ratings. As a customer, you'll probably pick someone who has 5-star review. And freelancing is a great strategy to do something if you have no previous experience, but you have to have a great strategy or else it's not going to work out for you. So if you go on campus, you will see that you will have to get your social media presence. These days, cloud is your resume. Being on Upwork is not enough. It's not 2010 anymore. This is the time where you really have to have your presence everywhere, in online presence and offline presence. That means that if a lot of people know you, you have more clout, you will become more trustworthy. You will learn how to pick your niche, you will learn how to DM people. It's gonna take you a long time if you're gonna wait for someone to pick you. And there's also a whole tutorial about testimonials. And if you work a lot, you can even level up in the Discord channel. You can see the results of other people, and you will learn how to make your social media presence. So I think this is definitely worth it. You have to choose one thing, okay? You cannot choose multiple modules at the same time. You have to choose one and you have to go all in, at least 6 hours a day. Hustler University, so you can join if you want to. To be totally honest, since you can get most of the information for free, you should just take the first step, take action, and you can even save yourself $49. I understand sometimes the information on the internet is overwhelming and you want to prefer a repackaged pack of that information so you save yourself some time and energy. And so that's the reason why I made a Discord channel specifically for these type of purposes. People like you can get the best information to go from 0 to 1 in the fastest time as possible. Because let's be honest, it's not fair that you have to spend more time, energy and money to avoid ads, to block out all kinds of distractions and not take action, because that's the most important stuff. I would say subscribe and like, get into Discord, send me a message, and I will help you out. And if you don't trust the information in this video, here are some 2 other videos you can watch right now.